Hey, what's up? It's Roy here. So today I have a redemption story for Moft. They sent me a Snap case a couple of weeks ago, probably about 3 or 4 weeks ago now, for my iPhone 14 Pro. And unfortunately, it was a mess. The magnets were not working very well. All of their accessories that they sent me did not fit at all. They did not magnetize to the back. It was just a really, really bad experience. I just did not like the case and really didn't want to recommend it. So they were kind enough to resend out this new one, which is their cool white color. It's 39 bucks, but this one has redeemed itself because the one that I had apparently was very defective. Matter of fact, the MagSafe magnets actually popped out of that clear case that I owned. So it was a really, really bad experience. So they were kind enough to send this so I can kind of talk about, what it's supposed to be like, especially with their accessories. So like I said, it's 39 bucks and it's this cool white. As you can see with the different reflections going on here, you can see the MagSafe magnet built in. You have a clear portion here where it does say Moft there. But in the interior, you can kind of see now, obviously it is a MagSafe case. The sides are clear. It is a fairly non-super flexible case. It is a little bit flexible, but it's going to give you some pretty decent drop protection. But I want to slap it on real quick and just kind of give it its chance here. So as far as install goes, the install isn't that bad at all. It's actually really easy to install. And then once you have it installed, it actually is a pretty nice looking case. It's very gummy, even though it is a clear / colored case. The sides are pretty gummy, but the back doesn't feel as gummy because it does have a little bit of a different texture than normal clear cases. Because like I said, once again, it is white, but it's not super slippery in the hand. The sides are very grippy, so it doesn't feel like it's gonna slip out of my hand. I really like the actual camera bump that they've done here. As you can see here, it is clear, but it does just look pretty nice in my opinion. I do like how it's extended out here, even though it's not technically, but you got your Moft branding there. Depending on what color iPhone you have, you got that little different pop of color here. But all in all, I think that they did a good job with the camera bump. I think overall the case feels good if you're a fan of clear bordered cases. Looking at the side, it is very clear, but it does have that dot matrix pattern all over the sides, which are going to help with those watermarks and anti-clinging. You have a clear power button that is raised. The bottom is the same clear with cutouts that are appropriate for our lightning port and speakers. On this side, same thing. Dot matrix pattern, volume up and down buttons, nice little cutout there for the alert slider, and that's the way it looks up top. Looking at the front, we do have some nice lips that do go around, but the way that the case is, it does feel like it does not go all the way up as much. So if you look here, it does almost go even with the phone in certain spots, but then the way that it is installed, it kind of, I don't know, it gives some lips, but it doesn't feel overbearing. But it is going to give you enough protection when you put it face down that it's not going to scratch your screen. It is tempered glass friendly as well. I do have one installed, so no issues at all with that. The big test comes into play with the accessories, and I'm happy to report that these accessories stick on very nicely with this case like it's supposed to. With the other case, it did not. Like I could not even do this. It would not stay on. It would slide around. But now that it's got its actual case that's meant for this, it is extremely strong, guys. Like it is very difficult to get these off. Same thing with this wallet one here. It's a very strong connection. When you open it up to use it, like if you wanted to use it as a little holder or if you wanted to peel it back for your cards, it does work very nice. It's a very strong connection, but the bottom is a little slippery like most of these type of little wallet cases are, since it's not magnetized down here, only up here. But it does give you a strong connection and does pop off. And then the same for this one as well. Kind of slides around the bottom. This is kind of my favorite one because it just seems a lot stronger. And when you flip it over, then it's kind of like a wallet like that as well. But like I said, the case itself has redeemed itself considering that the other case did not let me do those. Now, just to do it, I'm going to grab my MagSafe charger here And as you can see here, it is MagSafe compatible, so there is no issues at all with MagSafe charging. The hockey puck does find it nicely, and if I do give it a strong enough tug, it will fall off eventually, but there we go. So as you can see, the strong magnets are very present with this case, so it is very refreshing to get another case from Moft to say, hey guys, I know that other case sucked, but here's another one, give it another try. And it totally has redeemed itself. The buttons are very tactile as well. I'm a big fan of the buttons. They are very responsive. I don't have any issues at all with the tackiness of them. The volume up and down buttons, as you can hear there, are very tactile. So really, really appreciate those. So with my wobble test here, it does wobble because all iPhone 14 Pro cases seem to wobble, but when it's face down, it is pretty flat. There is a little bit of shaking going on, but it's not terrible, which I'm not gonna knock it for that. So all in all, guys, for 39 bucks to get a case from a company that's well known for their really cool, stands and wallets and all that, for their first iteration of cases with this, I definitely think it's worth a look now that I have seen it with its actual magnets the way they're supposed to work. So hit that like button if you liked the video. If you loved it, please subscribe, ring that notification bell for up-to-date content. So be safe, God bless, and I'll see you on the next one.